Ready? Okay, hey everybody, it's Ava Stroma123. Be sure to go check out my channel.
Is this a video? Hi, my name is Winnie Williams, and I'm a dummy.
You like my bangs? Look!
Oh my eyes.
We're having fun. It's the last day of school. We're gonna miss everybody. Anyway, be sure to check out my channel. Ava Stroma123. AVASTROMA. Ava Stroma123.
Wow.
3 minutes.
That's Evie. That's Joe with the big head.
What?
Over here.
Nicole, can you take a picture of me?
Touch it. Picture.
Where's my yearbook?
Oh wow.
Okay, my yearbook's right there.
Another.
This is what she does. What is going on with my sister?
Wow. Oh, Chinese boy. Emmanuel.
Actually, I'm Filipino. Get it straight.
What the heck?
Hey, can I see that?
Simone.
Hey, can I see that? Is that yours or Bonnie's?
That's mine.
Keep on showing up. Hey, he won it from the yogurt competition.
Oh, cool.
Sign my yearbook and pass it around.
Wow, Delaney. I don't have a pen. Delaney, I don't keep move.
It was
Moving. Let's see if you got awesome photographs.
You guys, I used the word movie.
Sign mine. I feel old. Pen. Where did my pen go?
Here's my mouse pen.
That's my pen.
Let me use it
Elliot's here. I put it away, Elliot. God.
He's like, who blocked out my ex body?
Yes.
Look into my mouth. Hey, Kimberly, I hope you are. Who is this?
A video camera?
No, who is this?
Mine.
Oh, Kimberly, have a great summer. I hope I made you laugh this summer, but I actually made Kimberly and Nicole cry. So, Nicole, what she gets, whatever her freaking name's called. See, look, I love her hair. Look at this. Shiny.
Oh my gosh, nobody